Understanding the Bicycle Kickstand, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting phrase, bicycle kickstand. This might seem like a simple concept, but it's a great example of how everyday objects can enrich our understanding of a language and its culture. Let's dive in and learn about what a bicycle kickstand is, its uses, and how this term fits into the English language. A bicycle kickstand is a device attached to a bicycle that allows it to stand upright without falling over. It's a small but crucial part of a bicycle, especially when you need to park it. The kickstand is typically located near the rear wheel and can be flipped down to support the bike when it's not in use. It's called a kickstand because you generally use your foot to kick it into place. This simple mechanism is a great example of practical design in everyday objects. In this section, we delve into why the kickstand is important for bicycle users. Safety and convenience are two key aspects. Without a kickstand, cyclists often have to lean their bikes against walls or lay them on the ground, which can lead to damage or inconvenience. The kickstand allows for a quick and easy way to park the bike anywhere, making it an essential feature for many cyclists. Now, let's look at the language aspect of bicycle kickstand. This term is a compound noun, made up of two words, bicycle and kickstand. English often combines words to create new meanings, which is a fundamental characteristic of the language. Understanding these compound nouns can significantly enhance your vocabulary and comprehension of English. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand what a bicycle kickstand is, its importance in the world of cycling, and how it represents a common linguistic structure in English. Remember, every small word or term can be a window into a larger cultural and linguistic understanding. Keep exploring and learning, and I'll see you in our next video.